How to make all TikTok videos private. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. After you have opened TikTok, simply log into your TikTok account using your Google or any ID. After you do that, simply click on your profile located on bottom right. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Select the video you want to private. You'll find three dots on right side. Click on three dots and you'll find all these options pop up. Slide it to the left and you'll find edit privacy option, privacy settings. And here only make sure you click on only you. After you've done only you, simply go back, and as you can see, my video is private. You can do same thing with all the videos. This is how to make all TikTok videos private. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.